See, in this problem we have solved non-homogeneous equations. I'll turn on light. Okay, in this equation, in this problem we have solved non-homogeneous equations. We got rank of A is equal to 2, rank of A by B is equal to 3. If rank of A is not equal to rank of A by B, the system of equations are said to be inconsistent. There are no solution exist. Why no solution exist? I'll explain you here. See, here if you write it, x plus y plus z equal to 4, this is my equation number 4. As we take first 1 2 3 equations, this is my fourth equation. What is fifth equation? 0x plus 3y minus 4z equal to minus 5, and 0 0 0 means 0x. Here 0x plus 0y plus 0z equal to what you get? 9. Anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 9. Is it possible? Is it possible? If you multiply anything with 0, the resultant should be 0, but here we are getting a value 9. So that we are saying that this system of equations are inconsistent, hence there is no solution. The reason is 0 into something we have to get 0, but we are getting some value. It is not possible. So the system of equations are having no solution. This is the reason behind it, no solution. In consistent equations you will get here 0 only. Then that case only you will get, why? Because you will get 0, because the rank of A equal to rank of A by B equal to less than number of variables. So it might be 2, means this whole term will become 0, or this whole term becomes 0. Okay, then you'll get some solutions. But in this case, x plus y plus z equal to 0, 0x plus 0 plus 0y plus 0z equal to 9 we are getting, instead 0. So the solutions will not exist. Okay, if you have any doubts, do let me know.